Hi everyone, my name is Caleb. In this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use Desmos graphing calculator, both for teaching and learning purposes of statistics. Just to let you a reminder, Desmos is a free web-based tool that allows students to visualize data, model relationships, and explore mathematical concepts interactively. So as you see here, we're already in Desmos graphing calculator, and so you can access through any web browser, any device. So there's no downloads required. And on the left side is where you enter the data or your equations. And then on the right side, you can see here updates the graph instantly. All right, so I'm going to put in some data here. So let's do 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. All right. And then here we're going to do 58, 62, 67, 70, 74, 80, and 80. Okay, yep, there's that. All right, so there's that right there. And so these are just our x values and our y values. And these might represent like study hours and corresponding test scores. So let's say this is our amount of hours studied, and this is our, we'll actually say minutes studied, and amount of score that we got, right? So to make a scatter plot, boom, here's kind of all the points that we see here. And we can actually show a linear regression line. So this kind of shows us what our average should be. So if I was to say, well, if I wanted to score 100 on the test, I'd probably need to spend about, 88 minutes on, studying each day, right? So, and this is just perfect for creating models and for letting students to see, so we can see, as I increase now, if I only spend 20 minutes studying, I get a 40 on my test. So the more and more time I spend, the higher I am to use this. And so you can do different things along here for statistics. So you can see that like as the study hours increase, the study minutes increase, the test scores increase. So that's what we call a positive correlation. This is something we can teach our students as well. And they can interpret this from the model very easily. You can make this interactive using adding sliders and chaining data values. So I could change, the value here, change it here, and just kind of see how that affects. So let's say I put, 23. Now, obviously, the line's way skewed, right? So I can change those types of things. This also, so I could do, let me change this back to 70. Of x 1. So I can form a histogram here. So this kind of tells me down here what all this does. Let's see here. So I can look at the bar heights and stuff like that. Yeah, you can kind of see that. It instantly shows the distribution. So, it's separated by 1, separated by 1, separated by 1. That type of thing. Let me change it real quick to y1. So again, this kind of shows you the separation. So that's why I kind of find it's cool that you can do a histogram as well. But overall, Desmos is really easy to use and visually engaging. And it's perfect for helping students explore data and pattern relationships. It also meets all of North Carolina's standards and statistics, as well as probability, and encourage mathematical modeling and reasoning. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you kind of enjoy using this. I use it a lot, especially for my linear regressions with students. You even have different regressions here. I can look at quadratic regressions, different stuff like that, and there's even more things of inferences and, like I said, tables. So this is just, there's so much selection here that you can choose from to help your students really understand your statistics class. So if you have any more questions, feel free. Have a great rest of your day.